In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Uber Cash on Postmates. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am going to show you the process of ordering anything through Postmates and using Uber Cash on the website. But keep in mind that you can also reproduce the steps that I'm going to take in this video through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do is sign in to your Postmates or most likely your Uber account, and afterwards you can browse through all of the stores, retailers, delivery places near you. Once you find whatever it is that you want to order, add everything to your basket or cart, and you will have to proceed to checkout before you see whether or not you are eligible to use Uber Cash. So when you proceed to checkout with all the items added, you will find the payment method window. So in here, double check your delivery details, delivery estimate, and then on the payment window, under adding a new payment method, you will see that from the payment methods available, the only option that we have related to Uber Cash is the option to redeem an Uber gift card. So this is the first main option that you have if you wish to use Uber Cash when ordering on Postmates. You can go ahead and redeem a gift card here that will give you balance so you can finish any order placed through Postmates. Of course, this is only going to be one of the options, and as long as you include valid and legitimate gift card over here, it is going to go through and you are going to receive the amount in balance. Alternatively, you can browse through the other payment methods and you will notice that besides this option to change the payment method, you can only add an optional loyalty account depending on where you are ordering from, and a promo code. For the most part, it seems that if you have the option to use Uber Cash, it is going to be listed right underneath the payment method with a toggle. So if you have some balance remaining in your account, just use the same Uber account, and if the option is available, it is going to appear here during checkout. Since my account does not have any Uber Cash, the option is not available. Alternatively, you can also redeem the gift card, and this is the most straightforward way because you don't have to toggle between using your Uber Cash or not, and by having a gift card you can add a bunch of balance at once. Just make sure that you do this process through the website or the mobile app, and as long as you proceed to checkout this way, the option to redeem your Uber Cash either through a gift card or through the balance remaining in your wallet will be available for any orders that you place. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, make sure that you are signed into the same Uber account across all devices and double check to see if your wallet has balance remaining. You will be good to go as long as you proceed to checkout on the account that has the balance. Make sure that you are properly signed in. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Uber Cash on Postmates. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.